Wow, guys, this thing that I'm gonna show you in the video is one of the most bullish things that I've recently seen in crypto in general. Especially that it's connected to Solana, especially that it's for degenerate people, especially that it's perfect for communities, for tribes, etc., etc. Now, this is so early for the project that I haven't even seen any video on YouTube, and a lot of you guys been asking me for the full video. So we are talking about tribe.run, and remember this name because I believe in a week, 2, 4 to 10 weeks, this is gonna be everywhere. I believe this website and this platform is gonna be everywhere, and you're gonna see it everywhere. This is so early now that the biggest tribes here have 1.5 SOL price only, and this is a working tool that I'm gonna show you in this video step by step. I'm gonna explain you what tribe.run is about, what it is, and how to use and how to benefit from it to make money. Before we start, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is only for educational and entertaining purposes. Always do research the art. Alright, you're probably seeing this video because I just tweeted like 2 hours ago, and this is also one of the first tweets about it. Huge potential now on tribe.run. You know, there's 19,000 followers only. There is not even any video on the internet showing it, and I still believe it will make new millionaires in the coming few days. If you know how to use it, if you know how to use this platform, this can print. This is like entering not even pump.fun, not even, all right, this is something different. But all right, SocialFi platform with ZK compression on Solana. SocialFi platforms, it means social finance. It means you can create these groups, generate money from it, generate money from referrals, have a closed community, paid community that's perfect for I would say for meme coins. There isn't really people using it for it yet, but for Kabbalahs, for closed communities, for influencers, for KOLs, etc., etc. Now, friend tech mechanism for the airdrops. You know, there are few airdrops possibilities. First mover will be millionaires. You know, the thing is, let's say you have an idea for a community. All right, let's say there is a community about some coin, or let's say you're an influencer. You can create a tribe, which means like a secret group. Treat it as a secret paid group, and you, in order to access the group, you need to buy coin of this group, right? And then the more people buy it, the higher the prices. And as I showed you, you know, my chart, for example, as I showed you my tribe, you know, it's been up recently. The price has been going up because, you know, I posted the tweet and people were interested to join it, right? So people were joining it, and of course the price of the token has been going up. Now I'm not telling you to, you know, this video isn't to shield my tribe or whatever. I only want to show you the opportunity. I even bought coins on my group, as you can see, but it's about something else. So it brings a lot of opportunities. The whole platform is in this like Windows, old Windows style. It brings a lot of opportunities if you know how to use it, if you know how to use the referral. Because let's say you want to refer someone, right? Let's say you refer someone, like I posted tweet, there is like 3 people signed in 2 hours, all right? Not many, but it's been only 2 hours. Okay, all right, you copy that, you can share it, you send it to your friends, whatever. And then they distribute 150 free tokens and 15% referred user trading fees. You know, I've seen people generating hundreds of SOL already from it. The first thing to get involved into Tribe is that you need to create your own account. Now, if you go to tribe.run, you're gonna, let's say, put your email here and click submit. It's not gonna work. You don't have access to tribe.run. It's only accessible by invite users. So you need an invite, you need a referral link. So you need to have a link from someone, from a friend or from me or from whatever. That brings an opportunity for you to get people signed in under your link. So for example, I'm giving you a link now in the description. You can use my link. You don't have to. You don't have to. I don't care. You can use someone else's link, whatever. But I'm giving you a link in the description of this video. You can click. Then you're gonna see something like this. You are invited to Tribe by Crypto Costa. Enter your email, and then you will enter your email here. Let's say some random email. Submit. They're sending you an email, right? Submit. Blah blah blah. Then you put the code, then you connect your account with Twitter. So every account is connected with Twitter or with FC. I have no idea what it is, but right? Everyone is using X, so you connect your account with Twitter. Then you create your tribe, right? And it's simple as that. After creating your tribe, you're gonna see what I showed you before. So after creating your account, you're gonna see something like this. Now, if you don't understand something from the app, which is very simple, but if you don't understand something, you have an AI bot here, this blue thing in here, right? After joining different tribes, as you can see, someone, I haven't even bought this one. I bought that one and that one just to check this out, but someone airdropped me tokens, and by doing it, they added me to the community, the tribe, you know. For example, this is the leadership now. Those are the biggest tribes in the whole platform, right? Number one is Bill DH. This is someone I believe connected to the team, because there is you know, they've been retweeting him, yeah, Crypto Social on Solana, yeah, like he says that, you know, he's part of the team or whatever. And you know, most of the people has been joining from his Twitter account. So of course that's the biggest one. And now if you click here on the tribe, you're gonna be able to see all the details from the guy. But if you want to buy it, a max SOL required to join the tribe is 1.7, right? So for example, we have the second guy. You can see the tribe value here. You can see the little chart. You can see up to 12 members, 4.5 tokens per month is the access to the group, 4.5 per month. If you buy it, 4.5 equals now 3.4 SOL. So this is around $800 or whatever. The first guy requires 1.5 tokens. So that's gonna make around 0.5 SOL to join the tribe. Now, some of these guys you might know from Twitter or whatever. My tribe is now worth 3,884. There are a few members that, you know, joined from Twitter already. If you want to join, do it. If not, whatever, you know, I don't care. I'm showing you this app as an opportunity because I forgot to mention that in order to use and you know, pay for the tribes or speculate on these tribes, you need to have SOL. You need to deposit SOL in here, right? So if you click deposit SOL, it's gonna give you an address where you send SOL, and then it will be added to your account. Like you can see here, I have 4.6 SOL. Referrals is easy. Claim airdrops. You know, anyone can send here airdrops. You know, as you can see, these people have been sending me some tokens. Now, if you click on your icon, you can see chat now, buy and sell. You can see what I've been doing. I've been buying, or some people that have been buying my tokens or whatever, or selling my tokens. You can see the activity. Buys, sells from whatever. More, you can see members of my tribe. I'm not gonna do it. I think it's probably, I'm not sure, but I'm not gonna do it. Holders, holding stats, etc. Now, if you click this leaderboard, not many people know it, but you can create an airdrop, and you can airdrop your own tokens. I'm gonna do it now. Let's say I don't know, 20 tokens. I'm gonna just create an airdrop. So by doing it, this is a form of marketing. You know, people can send airdrops, people can claim airdrops and sell tokens, or thanks to that getting to community because they see that they received an airdrop from someone, etc, etc. Now, if you are, you know, creative enough, you're gonna know how to use it for your benefit. And how I see it is that now, thanks to the referral system, there will be a lot of people joining it, a lot of especially influential people, because they want to get involved, because they want to create their communities there. And imagine these influencers start pushing their links, then people will start getting interested in that, in tribe.run. Remember, there is no token around the platform, not yet. And then it will create a whole situation where it's self-driving marketing, and we might see SocialFi wave again. This is a risky thing from my side, because this is, you know, and very early project, and I'm showing you that on that stage. But I believe a lot in SocialFi, and I think it makes a lot of sense, especially with the referral marketing part. It makes sense. Remember, there is no token around it. There is no token around the platform yet, so don't fall into any scams. As you can see here, there is no tribe token. Beware of scams. So that's it for the video. If you have any questions, if you don't understand something, you can put it in the comments or Twitter. There's more chance that I'll reply to you if you comment my posts or whatever, or just ask this AI bot and it will answer your questions. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. that's it. We're looking in for this Q1 2025 because we're gonna print. So prepare for that, and I think there will be plenty of opportunities on the market. And even though the market looks terrible now, but whatever. Like it, eventually we'll start printing. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.